With around a month to go, there's plenty of jobs to do in the garden to make those plants all ready for the big day, but also to tidy up the garden and get it ready so it's looking good for the new owners. Make a list of all the plants, pots, garden furniture, ornaments and tools that you're intending to take with you, and check that these tally with what's on your contract that you've agreed with the buyer. At the same time, you'll want to make sure you know what's being taken from the garden of your new home as well. And remember to tell your removal company just how many garden items you're going to take with you. If you're well prepared, you might be able to move plants gradually to a friend or relative's garden to try and lessen the load on the day. But make sure that any plants you've potted up are kept really well watered. Group the potted plants together in one place so that they're easier to care for and you're less likely to forget things when it comes to the busy move day. Move pots, ornaments and garden furniture that are being taken and clean the whole area where they've stood so that you can't see the shadow of where they've been. It's also time to finish off any lifting, dividing and replanting, and to tidy through the borders so that you're leaving them looking as neat and tidy as possible. It's tempting to give up on the weeding, raking and sweeping in the last few weeks, but doing these jobs just one more time allows you to say goodbye to things that you're leaving behind.